How to get paid using Udemy courses for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with Udemy courses. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you might be wondering is what is Udemy and how can you actually get paid with Udemy courses? Well, it's a very simple and easy to use platform. Udemy is a for-profit course platform where you can learn anything from web designing to marketing to sales, photography, music. So you can take a look at their top categories and see the different kinds of courses that they provide. They provide anywhere from beginner to expert level courses on any field in life. Now, how do you make money with Udemy? Well, there are two ways that I'm going to show you that you can actually make money with Udemy for free. Now you can see over here, Udemy courses can range anywhere from $30 to $1,000. Most courses are around the range of $100 or less. Some of the beginner level ones are $20. Some of the more expert level ones are going upwards of $500 to $700. So how can you actually get these courses for free? Well, there is a simple way that you can get any Udemy course, not any, but most Udemy courses online for free. And that is by using Disc Udemy. So all you have to do is go and search for discudemy.com, and this is the Disc Udemy website. Over here, you're going to get coupons for discounts on Udemy courses, and you can get upwards of 100% discount on Udemy courses. So if you go on to discudemy.com, this is their homepage, you can click on all coupons over here and take a look at the different discounts they have. So learn HTML for beginners. This was a $29 course that you can get for free. There are other courses as well. So if you want to look for a specific category, you can just go on to Disc Udemy, click on category over here, and you can take a look at what kind of design course you want or what kind of development course. So let's say I just want to learn graphic design. So I'm going to click on graphic design over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. Now you can see all of the Disc Udemy courses that are available. Now you can see this course was uploaded yesterday. This is a 100% discount on a course that was selling for $709. So this is available for free to you. So what you're just going to do, you're going to click on the link over here. And once you click on this, you can scroll down and you're just going to click on this green button over here called Take Course. And now you're just going to close this ad over here. And now you have this link and you're just going to click on the link over here and you have the Udemy website opened up and you have your coupon applied, and now you can just click on enroll now, and then you just have to sign up to start learning this course. So that is how simple and easy it is to get Udemy courses for free. And once you learn this course, you can easily provide your services on any freelance platform like Fiverr or Upwork. So you just have to take a look at the course, go through the course, and once you learn some basic art and design or graphic design, whatever kind of course you are taking, you can start offering your service on any freelance platform. You can definitely check out the more popular ones like Fiverr because you're going to have a more likely chance of finding clients on these platforms because they are super popular. So let's say if you learn this graphic design, you can go onto Fiverr and start offering logo design, which you can do in under 5 to 10 minutes. And you can sell your logos of upwards to $300, $400, starting at $15 to $20. You can sell them from hundreds of dollars, especially if you're someone that can create a good logo after you learn from the Udemy course. Now, another great thing that you can do to make money with Udemy for free is to make another duplicate website of Disc Udemy. So what you can do is that you can pick out some courses from Disc Udemy, the coupons that you have on Disc Udemy, and you can go onto wix.com. So you're just going to go on Wix and you can create a website where you have a curated course guide for people. So you can make your own website using Wix and you can copy the free discount links from Disc Udemy and provide them on your own website, and then you can run ads on your website to make more money. And what this will allow you to do is you can add your own personal touch because Disc Udemy has a lot of different categories. You can make a specialized category. So you can make a website for Photoshop courses that are available for free. You can make a website for video courses that are available for free. So you can specialize in a specific field and create that kind of website providing those courses. Now, you can easily create your website using Wix. You just have to click on Create New Site, sign up with your Gmail account, and then you can click on Create New Site over here. And once you do that, you are going to be led to the Disc website editor. So we're just going to select the Wix website editor. And once you do that, you're going to choose the kind of website you're looking to create. So let's say we are just basically creating a blog, and I'm just going to click on next over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the features that I want on my website. So I'm just going to skip this part. And once I skip this part, you can choose to edit a template or use the Wix ADI, which is the Wix Artificial Intelligence, to create the website for you. So I'm going to click on edit a template. And I'm going to begin with a template. So you can pick out any one of these templates and you can add the Disc Udemy courses. So I can make a blog about fashion designing, and I can add all of the fashion design Disc Udemy courses onto that blog. And that will enable me to get a lot more clicks and a lot more ads, and I will have frequent visits to my website for people looking for free courses. So you can use any one of these templates and you can add your Disc Udemy course links over here and run ads on your website. And that is another great way to make money. So you can structure this in the form of a personal blog, a development blog. You can create like a personal development blog. And if you go onto Disc Udemy, they have a special category for personal development courses. So you can provide lifestyle course links. You can provide your own kind of touches on those courses. You can talk about what course is worth taking and what is going to be worth people's time. So you can just provide a simple little guide to browsing on Disc Udemy and make money along the way. And you can also do the same on Fiverr. So whatever you learn from Udemy, you can provide your service on Fiverr to make even more money. And that is why I love using Udemy. Udemy is a great and vast platform. That is the best part about it, is that it has all fields of life. Let's say if I go into the lifestyle, so personal development, you have such a variety on Udemy that when you have such a great variety, you can easily multiply your income streams by providing that in a variable fashion. So that is something that is the most helpful about Udemy. And if you go onto Disc Udemy, you can find most to all of their categories, and you can click on all coupons over here to browse the most expensive ones. So you can just share the most expensive ones like this one. So this is a complete SAP computer bootcamp that was available for $1,649, but it is available for free using Disc Udemy. So you're providing a discount and saving people hundreds and thousands of dollars with these free coupons and free links with 100% discounts. And there are some partial discounts as well, but you can find 100% discounts on a lot of courses that are very good and teach very high quality content. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to make money with Udemy and learn from Udemy most of all, because making money is just a side step to learning the information that you can get for free on Udemy. You can learn any kind of course, you can learn any kind of skill on Disc Udemy with their free discount coupons and make money with those skills on freelance platforms or on your own blogs or website. Now, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this, and check out our other videos on other websites and other social media platforms, and I will catch you guys in the next video.